Greetings from Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology, Thiruvananthapuram. I am Professor Chandrabhas Narayana, the director of RGCB. To commemorate the 75 years of independence of India and as a part of Jan Bhagidari, RGCB is establishing a science museum in Wayanad district, aspirational district of Kerala. As part of the Jan Bhagidari, which includes various celebratory activities as part of the 75th year of independence, various central science ministries like DBT, DST, DSIR, ICMR, PSA, etc. have decided to establish 75 science museums utilizing functional and demo type retired research equipments from research institutions in 75 aspirational districts of India. As part of this, Department of Biotechnology and Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology is setting up this science museum at Govt Higher Secondary School, Meppadi, Wayanad, which is first of its kind in Kerala. We are exhibiting and demonstrating major equipments, methodologies, and research applications in biotechnology, molecular biology, and genetic engineering. Major equipments and protocols being exhibited are genetic analyzer for DNA sequencing and fingerprinting, protein sequencer, PCR, RT-PCR, spectrophotometers, DNA and protein gel electrophoresis, laminar hood, tissue culture, microtome, microscopes, molecular imaging equipments, video display posters, and graphic representation of different research findings in the global research scenario. Science Museum at Meppadi, Govt Higher Secondary School, will reach out to the students to inspire them for a career in science and technology while remembering the history and future of research and innovation in this country. We hope the students and teachers will utilize this opportunity to gain knowledge and learn these high-end facilities used for various research and innovation applications. Thank you. പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, അധ്യാപകരെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിച്ച ഈ അവസരം പരമാവധി പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തുക. ശാസ്ത്രരംഗത്തെ ഗവേഷണ നേട്ടങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കുവാനും ഗവേഷണ രംഗത്തേക്ക് വരുവാനും പ്രചോദനമാകട്ടെ ഈ സയൻസ് മ്യൂസിയം. ആശംസകളോടെ ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്.